What are you eating? Are you eating a Nana? A Nana? Where's your Nana? Where's your Nana? It's so good? Yeah, that's a Nana. Nana. Can you show me your Nana? Where's the Nana? No, it's right here. It's right there. In your hand. Bryce. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good. No, don't put that whole thing in. Give me it. Give me it. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. We'll cut it up, okay?